The Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS, in your Toyota Tundra II continuously monitors the air pressure in all four tires. When the TPMS light illuminates on your dashboard, it means the system has detected that one or more tires has pressure below the recommended level, typically 75% of the proper pressure. The light can also activate if there's a malfunction in one of the tire pressure sensors embedded in the wheels. Each wheel contains a sensor that wirelessly transmits pressure and temperature data to the vehicle's control module. Ignoring the TPMS light can lead to uneven tire wear, as shown here, where underinflated tires wear more on the edges and overinflated tires wear in the center. It also reduces fuel efficiency by up to 3% and increases safety risks like tire blowouts. Maintaining proper tire pressure ensures optimal performance and safety for your Tundra. The Toyota Tundra II uses direct TPMS with sensors embedded in each wheel that measure pressure and temperature, transmitting data wirelessly to the vehicle's ECU. These sensors communicate wirelessly with the vehicle's engine control unit to monitor tire conditions in real time. The TPMS light activates if any tire drops below 75% of the recommended pressure or if a sensor fails. Regular resets may be needed after tire rotations, replacements, or pressure adjustments. Always inflate tires to the pressure indicated on the door placard before resetting. For Tundra models from 2007 to 2021, start by turning the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, locate the TPMS reset button. It's usually found near the steering wheel or inside the glove compartment. Press and hold the reset button until the TPMS light flashes or you hear a beep. This typically takes 5 to 10 seconds. Finally, drive the vehicle at 25 miles per hour or faster for 10 to 20 minutes to complete the reset process. For 2022 and newer Tundra models, use the infotainment screen to reset the TPMS. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then TPMS, then select Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the reset. After initiating the reset through the infotainment system, drive the vehicle at 25 miles per hour or faster for 10 to 20 minutes to allow the system to recalibrate. If the TPMS light persists after resetting, it could indicate a faulty sensor or a tire leak. Check all tires for punctures or damage. Sensor batteries typically last 5 to 10 years. If the light frequently reactivates, consider having your sensors inspected by a professional. Some aftermarket TPMS reset tools can help diagnose sensor issues. When resetting the TPMS on your Toyota Tundra, avoid these common mistakes that can prevent successful resets or lead to safety issues. First, failing to inflate your tires to the correct pressure before resetting is a common mistake. The TPMS system needs tires at proper pressure to calibrate correctly. Check your door placard for recommended PSI and inflate all tires before starting the reset process. Second, using the incorrect reset procedure for your Tundra's model year can cause the reset to fail. For 2007 to 2021 models, use the physical reset button. For 2022 and newer models, navigate through the infotainment screen menus to perform the reset. Third, avoid using excessive force when pressing the reset button. These buttons are sensitive and designed for gentle pressure. Overpressing can damage the button or cause electrical issues in the system. Finally, never ignore a persistent TPMS light that won't reset after following proper procedures. This could signal a faulty sensor, low battery, or other tire pressure issues that need professional attention to prevent safety risks like blowouts or uneven wear. Toyota is integrating advanced TPMS features, including Bluetooth connectivity for real-time monitoring via smartphone apps. Future trends include predictive TPMS systems that use AI to anticipate maintenance needs and potential issues. These systems may incorporate regenerative braking data in hybrid and electric models to adjust for tire heat, alerting users to potential problems before the TPMS light activates. When attempting to reset the TPMS light on your Toyota Tundra proves unsuccessful after several tries, it's time to consult a professional. This could indicate a deeper issue with the sensors or system. If you can't reset the light after multiple attempts, or if you suspect a sensor malfunction, seek professional help. A qualified mechanic can use specialized diagnostic tools to identify the problem accurately. The mechanic can then replace any faulty sensors to ensure your TPMS system functions properly. This professional service helps prevent further complications. Ignoring a persistent TPMS light or recurring issues can lead to safety hazards, such as uneven tire wear or potential blowouts. Don't take chances with your vehicle's safety. Professional dealership resets typically cost between $50 and $100, but this investment ensures your TPMS system is properly calibrated and safe.